All the love stories and movies that I've fallen in love with describes love as this strong desire, fire and unending passion. It's beautiful and it's what fairy tales are made of. But what I feel for you and what I wish for us is a love like water. It flows and takes turns. It's powerful and it's free. It's calm and comforting. At the end, it always finds its way back to the sea. All I wish for us is to find each other at the end of every turn, change, chaos, and love each other in destiny.